Hello friends, today we will talk about Baby Chow project and we will also tell you how to buy Baby Chow token in the last of the video. Its price is $0.001072, BTC is 13.9% high, BNB is 11.1% high, and maximum supply is 1000 trillion coin, and its website is babychow.co. its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 934 million Chow coin. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing, and its trading volume is around $3,86,000. After that we will open its website and click on babychow.co. I have already opened this website, and Baby Chow, the next Baby Dogecoin. From inception, Baby Chow has done things different. Starting with a supply of 1 quadrillion, we have already burned 20% of our tokens and will keep on burning a small amount with each on every transaction. If we talk about history of this coin, and this coin basically inspired by Baby Dogecoin. Baby Chow, the next Baby Dogecoin. From inception, Baby Chow has done things different. Starting with a supply of 1 quadrillion, we have already burned 20% of our token and will keep on burning a small amount with each on every transaction. And Chow automated buyback. Chow collects a percent that goes towards a friendly whale wallet in place for buyback during both of good times and bad times. This provides us the support that we need during the dips, but also gives more business when it comes to buy. A small percentage is also provided to the liquidity pool along with a marketing pool. The marketing and charity pool will be used help token take off. So Chow heaven, that means Chow is a automated buyback. Chow collection a percent and towards a friendly whale wallet, place buyback during both good items and bad items that provide us support we need during the dips. And we can watch this video. And Baby Chow token detail: total supply 1 quadrillion, soft cap 150 and hard cap 300. Tokenomics: 2% rewarded to holders, 4% marketing tax, 6% buyback on tax. And this project is audited by Desert Swap Finance. If we talk about its future, and most of the coin are scam. If you want to invest in it, then invest only $1 or less in the beginning. If this coin perform good even after 1 month, you can invest in it, and this is my personal opinion. Be careful, invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page, and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect, and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.